Have you ever tried to extract an attachment from an email only to run into frustrating errors? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to extract and save attachments from emails using AWS Simple Email Service and Lambda. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your code runs into errors, especially when you're so close to getting it right. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with AWS. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I extract an attachment from an email and save it to my S3 bucket?" They mentioned that their Lambda function is triggered on S3 put, but they're encountering an error stating no such file or directory. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what could be causing this error? It often happens when the file path is incorrect or the file hasn't been saved properly before the upload attempt. We'll break it down step by step to help you pinpoint the issue. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the user's issue, we need to ensure that the attachment is being handled correctly in the Lambda function. First, let's confirm that the attachment is being extracted properly from the email message. Next, the user should verify that the file name of the attachment is being used correctly. The error indicates that the file cannot be found, which often means the path is incorrect. Now, let's modify the upload process. Instead of using the file name directly, the user should save the attachment to a temporary location before uploading it to S3. Finally, the user should update the upload command to reference the temporary file path instead of the original file name. This will ensure that the file is found during the upload process. Fun fact, did you know that the first email ever sent was in 1971? It was a simple message, but look how far we've come with technology today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves saving the attachment to a temporary file before uploading it to S3. They suggest opening a temporary file, writing the attachment's payload to it, and then using the upload file method to transfer it to the S3 bucket. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always validate your file paths and ensure your attachments are being handled correctly. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to extract and save your email attachments without any issues. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into AWS functionalities.